In the previous class, we have learned to solve some equation by following some rules. That is, by adding the same number to both sides of the equation, subtracting the same number from both sides of the equation, and multiplying and dividing both sides of the equation by the same number. Students, we carried out a series of identical mathematical operations on both sides of the equation in such a way that one of the sides we just get the variable and the last step was the solution to the equation. So हमने क्या किया था, हमने जो है इक्वेशन को सॉल्व किया था एक ही नंबर से दोनों तरफ ऐड करते हुए, या एक ही नंबर को दोनों तरफ LHS और RHS से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया था हमने, या फिर एक ही नंबर से LHS और RHS को मल्टीप्लाई या डिवाइड करके हमने जो है वेरिएबल को सेपरेट किया था और हमने सॉल्यूशन फाइंड किया था इक्वेशन का. इन टुडेज क्लास वी विल बी सॉल्विंग सम मोर इक्वेशन बाय द मेथड ऑफ ट्रांसपोजिंग. यहाँ पर हम जो है एक ट्रांसपोजिंग मेथड से कुछ इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करेंगे आज के क्लास में. सो व्हाट इज ट्रांसपोजिंग हियर? ट्रांसपोजिंग मीन्स मूविंग द नंबर फ्रॉम वन साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन टू द other side. We can transpose a number instead of adding or subtracting it from both sides of the equation. And also in this class we will learn how to construct equations from solutions. So students, let us start our class, today's class. So first let us look at an example here. The example is 5x plus 12 equal to 27. Let us solve this equation. So earlier, to solve this equation, we subtracted 12 from both sides. That is 5x plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 27 minus 12. We subtracted 12 from both the LHS and RHS. So here plus 12 and minus 12 gets cancelled. It is 5x is equal to 27 minus 12 is 15. So here next dividing both the sides by 5, dividing both sides by 5. Five x divided by 5 is equal to 15 divided by 5. So here 5 get cancelled, so x is equal to 15 divided by 5, it is 5 is a 15. So the solution to the equation is x is equal to 3. Now here subtracting 12 from both sides is the same as 5x. Here the equation is 5x plus 12 is equal to 27. Here we can write it as 5x is equal to 27 minus 12. What we have done here? We have transposed plus 12 to the RHS. Transposing plus 12 to RHS. हमने जो है प्लस 12 को ट्रांसपोज किया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड में लेके गए. प्लस 12 का सिंबल जो है हमने प्लस 12 राइट हैंड साइड में जब गया तो माइनस 12 हो गया. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज 5x इज इक्वल टू 27 minus 12 is 15. So x dividing both sides by 5 we will get 5x divided by 5 is equal to 15 by 5, that is x is equal to 5 3 is 15. So we have arrived at the solution. So this method is transposing method. We will be solving some equation using this method. Let us take one more example here. It is the equation is 3p minus 10 equal to 5. Let us solve this adding 10 to both sides. Earlier we have done like this, adding 10 to both sides. What we get? We get 3p minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 5 plus 10. Here minus 10 and plus 10 get cancelled. 3p is equal to 15, 5 plus 10. So dividing both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. We get 3p divided by 3 is equal to 15 divided by 3. So here 3 get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So the solution to the equation is p is equal to 5. Now let us solve this equation by the method of transposing. Here the same equation 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. Now it is equal to 3p is equal to 5 plus 10. Here we have transposing minus 10 to RHS. Here minus 10 becomes plus 10 when we transpose minus 10 to the RHS. So 3p is equal to 5 plus 10, 15. Now dividing both the sides by 3, we get 3p divided by 3 is equal to 15 divided by 3. Here 3 get cancelled, p is equal to 3 5 is 15. So the solution to the equation is p is equal to 5. Students, as we have seen while solving equations, one commonly used operation is adding or subtracting the same number on both sides of the equation. Now transposing a number is, that is changing the side of the number, is same as adding or subtracting the number from both sides. In doing so, the sign of the number has to be changed. We have to change the sign of the number. While we transpose a number from left hand side to right hand side or from right hand side to left hand side, we have to change the sign of the number. Students, our next topic is solution to equation. Students, you know what are the steps to be followed to solve an equation. Already we have solved some equations. So here let us now think differently. Let us now follow the reverse path. That is the normal path is equation to solution. That is the normal path. Let us now follow the reverse path, that is solution to equation. Let us start with x is equal to 5. Now multiplying both sides by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. What we will get? 4 multiplied by x is 4x and 5 into 4. That is 4x is equal to 5 into 4 is 20. Now the next step, subtracting 3 from both sides. Four x minus 3 is equal to 20 minus 3. That is 4x minus 3 is equal to 17. So here we have arrived at an equation. हमने जो है इक्वेशन बनाने सॉल्यूशन दिया था, जिसके लिए हमने इक्वेशन यहाँ पर फॉर्म किया है. x is equal to 5 is the solution and the equation for that solution is 4x minus 3 is equal to 17. So यहाँ पर अगर हम रिवर्स पाथ को फॉलो करेंगे तो हम सॉल्यूशन से इक्वेशन में आ सकते हैं. अब इसको फिर से रिवर्स कर देंगे तो इक्वेशन से सॉल्यूशन में जा सकते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पर इक्वेशन है हमारा 4x minus 3. इसको हम अगर रिवर्स हमारा रिवर्स पाथ था, जब हम इसको रिवर्स कर देंगे तो 4x minus 3 is equal to 17. Adding 3 to both sides, what we get? We'll get 4x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 17 plus 3. That is minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. 4x is equal to 20. 17 plus 3. Next, dividing both the sides by 4, we will get 4x divided by 4 is equal to 20 by 4. Here 4 will get cancelled. 4 5 are 20. So we will arrive at the solution again. Students, now not only you can solve an equation, also you can form equation from solutions. So here students, यहाँ पर हम जो है देखते हैं कि एक सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ तो उसका इक्वेशन जो है एक नहीं बनता, इससे ज़्यादा भी बन सकता है. ये तो एक इक्वेशन था, इससे ज़्यादा भी आप बना सकते हैं. सेम अगर सॉल्यूशन को लेकर हम एक और इक्वेशन बनाने की यहाँ पर देखते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं. x इज इक्वल टू 5. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर जो है इक्वेशन अगर सॉल्यूशन एक दिया है तो उसका इक्वेशन जो है एक से ज़्यादा भी बन सकता है. यहाँ पर जो सेम सॉल्यूशन x इज इक्वल टू 5 के लिए हम एक और इक्वेशन बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड्स बाय 3, we will get 3 into x is equal to 5 into 3, that is 3x is equal to 15. Now adding 2 to both sides, 3x plus 2 is equal to 15 plus 2, that is 3x plus 2 is equal to 17. So we have found one more equation. Let us check the solution to this equation is x is equal to 5 or not. So here we will take the equation 3x plus 2 is equal to 17. Now subtracting 2 from both sides or transposing the right hand side, that is 3x is equal to 17 minus 2, that is 3x is equal to 17 minus 2 is 15. Now dividing both sides by 3, 3x divided by 3 is equal to 15 by 3. Here 3 will get cancelled, x is equal to 3 5 is 15. So the same solution, x is equal to 5 we have arrived at. So here सेम सॉल्यूशन x इज इक्वल टू 5 से हमने पहले एक इक्वेशन बनाया था 4x minus 3 is equal to 17 and one more equation is 3x plus 2 is equal to 17. Like this you can form many equations to the given solution, to the given one solution here. Students, now let us solve some questions from exercise 4.3. Students, the first equation is 2y is equal to 5 by 2 plus 37 by 2. Here the solution to this equation 2y is equal to, we can write 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2 by transposing plus 5 by 2 to RHS. So here plus 5 by 2 को जब हम RHS में ले जाते हैं तो plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 हो जाता है, इसको साइन चेंज हो जाता है. So here 2y is equal to, the next step is 37 minus 5 by 2, that is 32 by 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining 12, 2 6s are 12. So 2y is equal to 16 here. Now dividing both the sides by 2, dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we get 2y by 2 is equal to 16 by 2. Here 2 and 2 will cancel, y is equal to 2 8s are 16. So the solution to the equation is 8. Y is equal to 8. You can also check the solution to the equation by putting y is equal to 8 in this equation, in the original equation. You can check the solution to this equation. Next equation is a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Here the solution a by 5 is equal to, we can write 2 minus 3. Here transposing plus 3 to RHS. प्लस 3 को जो है हम RHS में ले जाएंगे तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, प्लस 3 will become minus. So next step will be a by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now here we have to separate the variable a, so we will multiply both the sides of the equation by 5. Multiplying both sides of the equation by 5, we get a by 5 into 5 is equal to minus 1 into 5. Here 5 and 5 cancel, here a is equal to minus 1 into 5. That is a is equal to minus 5 is the solution to the equation. You can also check here, the solution to the equation is a is equal to minus 5. You can put it in the original equation and then check the solution. Next, the third one is 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. So here 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 by 2, you can write. How? We have transposing here 19 by 2 plus 19 by 2 to RHS. प्लस 19 by 2 को RHS में जब ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, इसका जो है साइड चेंज करते हैं तो प्लस 19 by 2 it becomes minus 19 by 2. So 7m is equal to, here you can cross multiply here, 13 2s are 26 minus 19 into 1 is 19 by 2. So 7m is equal to 26 minus 19, it is 7 by 2. Now to separate the variable, we will be dividing both the equation by 7. So here 7m divided by 7 is equal to 7 by root 2. Here 7m divided by 7 is equal to 7 by 2 divided by 7. So here 7 and 7 will cancel, m is equal to 7 by 2 into, it is 1 by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel, m is equal to 1 by 2 is the solution to the given equation. Now students, the next equation is 6j plus 10 is equal to minus 2. So here the solution to this equation 6j plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Here 6j is equal to minus 2 minus 10. We have transposed plus 10 to the RHS. Transposing plus 10 to RHS. When we transpose plus 10 to the RHS, it becomes minus 10. The sign of the plus 10 changes to minus 10. So here 6z is equal to minus 2 and minus 10, it is minus 12. Minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12. So here dividing both sides by 6. 6z divided by 6 is equal to minus 12 divided by 6. To separate the variable z, we divide both the sides by 6 here. This here 6 get cancelled, 6 to the 12. So z is equal to minus 2 is the solution to the given equation. The next equation is 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So here solution to this equation 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now 2b by 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. Transposing minus 5 to RHS. Transposing minus 5 to RHS. माइनस 5 को हम जो है RHS में ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, इट बिकम्स प्लस 5. माइनस 5 को जब हम साइड चेंज करते हैं LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 5. So here 2b by 3 is equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. Now the next step, here multiplying both sides by 3. 2b by 3 into 3 is equal to 8 into 3. 3 here cancel, 3 here get cancelled. 2b is equal to 8 is a 24. Now dividing both the sides by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. B is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It is 12. B is equal to 12 is the solution to the given equation. The next equation is 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. Here 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. The equation is here multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. 25 by 4 into 2. 2 here get cancelled. 5x is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It is 25 divided by 2. Now dividing both sides of the equation by 5. To separate the variable x, we divide both sides of the equation by 5. 5x by 5, 25 by 2 divided by 5. Here 5 will get cancelled. X is equal to 25 by 2 divided by 5 is equal to 1 by 25 by 2 divided by 5 is equal to 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. Here 5 5 is 25. So the value of x is 5 by 2. So the solution to the equation is 5 by 2. Now students, question number 2, solve the following equation. The first equation is 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Now we will divide both the sides of the equation by 2 to remove the brackets here. So here dividing both sides of the equation by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled and x plus 4 is equal to 2 6 is 12. This 6 here. Now x is equal to 6 minus 4. Here transposing plus 4 to RHS. So here प्लस 4 को जब हम RHS में ले जाएंगे तो वो माइनस 4 हो जाएगा, इसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. x is equal to 6 minus 4, it is 2. x is equal to 2 is the solution to the given equation. The next equation is 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. Now to remove the brackets, we will divide both sides of the equation by 3. Here 3 into n minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 21 by 3. Here 3 will get cancelled. n minus 5 is equal to 3 7s are 21 minus 7. Now transposing minus 5 to RHS, minus 7 plus 5. Here transposing minus 5 to RHS. Minus 5 becomes plus 5. So here n is equal to minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. So the solution to the given equation is n is equal to minus 2. You can also check the solution by putting n is equal to minus 2 in the original equation. Now the next equation is minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Here first we will divide both the sides of the equation by -4 to remove the brackets. So here -4 into 2 plus x divided by -4 is equal to 8 divided by -4. Here -4 will get cancelled. 2 plus x is equal to 4 to the 8 is 2 divided by -1. So 2 plus x is equal to -2. Now x is equal to -2. Here transposing +2 to RHS. Transposing +2 to RHS. This 2 is transposed to RHS. So it becomes -2. So here the solution to the equation is x is equal to -4. Now the next question, third question, solve the following equation. The first one is -4 is equal to 5 into p minus 2. So here to remove the brackets we will divide both sides of the equation by 5. So it is -4 divided by 5 is equal to 5 into p minus 2 divided by 5. So here 5 will get cancelled. It is -4 by 5 is equal to p minus 2. Now -4 by 5 plus 2 is equal to p. Here transposing -2 to LHS. हमने RHS से -2 को LHS में ट्रांसपोज किया. ट्रांसपोजिंग -2 to LHS here. It is -4 plus cross, we call cross multiply here. -4 plus 5 to the 10 by 5 is equal to p, or 6 by 5 is equal to p. So the solution to the given equation is p is equal to 6 by 5. The next equation is 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. Here first transposing +4 to RHS. Transposing +4 to RHS. The first step is we have to transpose +4 to the RHS. So here the next step will be 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34 minus 4 is 30. Now dividing both the sides of the equation by 5. 5 into p minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to 30 divided by 5. Here 5 will get cancelled. P minus 1 is equal to 5 6 30. Now p is equal to 6 plus 1. Transposing -1 to RHS. -1 को जब हम RHS में ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, इसका साइड चेंज करेंगे, it becomes +1. So the solution to the given equation is p is equal to 6 plus 1, that is 7. The next equation is here 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. So here first we will transpose 16 to the LHS. 16 को हम LHS में ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. So it is 0 minus 16 is equal to 4 into m minus 6. So the next step is 0 minus 16, it is minus 16, 4 into m minus 6. Now we will divide both the sides by 4 to remove the brackets here. So here it is minus 16 divided by 4. 4 into m minus 6 divided by 4. This 4 will get cancelled. Here 4 4s are 16. So minus 4 is equal to m minus 6. The next step is transposing minus 6 to LHS. Minus 4 plus 6 is m. So 2 is equal to m, or m is equal to 2 is the solution to the given equation. Students, now question number 4. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. So here the solution is given here, x is equal to 2. We have to construct here 3 equations from this solution. So number 1, the solution is given x is equal to 2. Now adding 3 to both sides, what we get? X plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3. That is x plus 3 is equal to 5. So this is the first equation that we have formed by the solution. From the solution x is equal to 2. Next, second one, the same solution x is equal to 2. Now here multiplying both sides by 4. 4x is equal to 2 into 4. That is 4x is equal to 8. Now next, subtracting 3 from both sides. 4x minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3. So the equation is 4x minus 3 is equal to 5. So the second equation is 4x minus 3 is equal to 5. Next, third one, the same solution x is equal to 2 here. Now we can multiply by any number, we can multiply by 5, multiplying both sides by 5. What we get? We get 5x is equal to 2 into 5. That is 5x is equal to 10. Now we can subtract both the 2 from both the sides. Subtracting 2 from both the sides. 2 from both sides. 5x minus 2 is equal to 10 minus 2. That is 5x is equal to 5x minus 2 is equal to 8. So here we have formed 3 equations starting from the same solution. जो हम solution जब हमें दिया रहेगा उसे हम equation जो है एक से ज़्यादा भी form कर सकते हैं. सभी का जो तीनों जो equations है उनका solution x is equal to 2 ही होगा. So students, I hope you have understood all the concepts taught today. Thank you students.